IDF impact. Shelter in place. Dawn IBA. IDF impact. Shelter in place. Dawn IBA. IDF impact. Shelter in place. Dawn IBA.
It's early as hell too.
Control Unit 625. Copy. Control Unit 125. Control 452.
Hey, Pride, we just got hit, man.
Got hit. Be advised, we've got possible buoy on the north side of Smackdown.
North town of Smackdown.
Copy, we have a confirmed impact Smackdown. How copy?
Hey, Vickers on R&R, but me, Muse, and Cook is all over here, man.
I'm firing it again.
We've got a possible VOI site, the north side of Smackdown. North side of Smackdown, how copy? Copy, Greg, any fish control, can I be route to get 10 digit?
North town, north
copy,
of Smackdown.
Copy, did you copy north side? Copy.
Do you know where Smackdown is?
That's where it hit it?
Yep, north side of Smackdown, yep.
Muse, Smackdown right about north.
Control Indio 2, 25%.
No, it's right by the...
Copy.
It's right around.
Control Indio 5, 25%. Copy.
Yeah.
Okay.
IDF impact. Shelter in place. Dawn IBA. IDF impact. Shelter in place.
Control Indio 450.
What's our numbers, man?
Copy.
You know your number? Mine's 850, man. What's your number, Cook?
Control Indio 1, GD copy, 25%.
I'm gonna see if Pride will call us in, man. Because he's over there counting.
Copy.
Hey, Pride, are you gonna call us in? Are you gonna call me, Muse, and Cook in? Okay.
What did he say?
He said he'll take care of it. That's crazy, man. Damn.
Well, they gotta celebrate somehow.
They got their bellies full, man. Of Tang and Goat, they're ready to attack us, man. The radio's quiet, man. I'm on SP1. They ain't even said nothing. Security forces too. FP1, nobody talking.
Control Indio 2, 50%. Copy. Control Indio 150%. Last caller. Control Indio 150%. Control India 475%. Copy. Control 675. Copy. Control Golf 11. Roger, ma'am. I have an 03 type Air Force at my location that needs to gain access into the flight line so that he can make accountability of all of his people. Do I have permission to allow same into my gate? Roger, can you get last name of individual? Roger, ma'am. Last name's going to be Steenman. I spell Sierra, Tango, Echo, Echo, November, Mike, Alpha, November. How copy?
No, you know her. You heard me?
2, 75%. Copy. Control Golf 1, you copy my last?
Roger, that's a negative. Individual needs to exit your location, get to a bunker. How copy?
Control this India 3, 50%.
Copy. Wait, Golf 1 control, did you copy?
That's a firm, ma'am. Same as doing so at this time.
Copy, Tango.
Control India 4, 100% all secure.
Copy.
Control India 5, 50%.
Copy. Control India 6. Send it. Be advised that POI is going to be in Charlie sector and Forces 2 relays that they're going to take it and get the 10 edges themselves. Copy, Tango.
There it is.
Control India 1, 75%.
Don IBA. IDF impact.
Send it.
Don IBA. IDF impact.
Control India 1, 75%. Copy. Control India 5, 75%.
Copy.
Control India 2, 100%, all in order.
Hey, Marlon.
Copy.
These workers are an Afghan company, right? They ain't even show up today, man. That's usually what happened in Kandahar. When workers don't show up, you guarantee you'll get attacked.
That's what happened. Yeah, at first. Every day they didn't show up. Every time they didn't show up last
You got
year.
attacked.
Yeah. Every time. That's what tripped me out. I was like, why don't they ask them? They just let them, and when they come work after the day after the attack, like nothing happened. And I was like, why you people, why they
They in
gonna
on
question
it.
them and
They in
ask
on
them? Because I would say no.
Control this India 3, 75%.
On the attacks, man. Think about it, bro. They know something.
Copy.
Alright, no.
Yo. None of the Afghani showed up.
And you know how much, I was reading the Star of the Stripes today, you know how much money is on the contract that we gave to Afghanistan?
Oh,
6.6 billion.
billion?
Billion.
That's crazy, man. That's why our economy going to shit, man. We spend all the money over here, man. Well,
We seem to be gluttons for punishment. Gluttons. Oh.
Yep.
Control Force 2, where are we under sweeps?
Copy, we're still at 75%. No copy.
Good copy.
Control India 6, 100% all secure. Copy. Enforcer 2 control, would you like hotel units recalled?
Negative. Just make sure that we have 100% accountability.
Copy.
Control on you 5, 100% all in order.
Copy.
Control India 100% all in order. Control Enforcer 1, and we're crash running Force 2. Take that and clear. Enforcer 2, Enforcer 1. Good. Copy. On that 100% accountability, make sure we get the med shift as well. I'll copy. Good copy. We're going to head to CMU-9 now. Copy, Tango. Control net here. Control India 100% all in order. Copy. -2 ammo, we're good.
Last copy, advise you're on the wrong creek.
Control India 3, 100%, piers all secure.
Copy.
Scorpion 1. Then 1, Scorpion 1. Control, Golf 9.
On the radio.
Send it.
Just call me on the radio if they go general release so we can start calling.
Did I hear correctly, you're doing accountability for off-duty personnel?
Copy that, sir. I've been getting as much accountability right now as I can in here.
Say again.
Copy
Did I hear correctly, you're doing accountability for off-duty personnel?
890.
Hey, sir.
Copy. Be advised, Defender Domini is at my location. All secure.
How copy, Enforcer 2?
IDF impact.
I might have to help that giant voice out a little bit. It's not doing very well.
Copy, Scorpion 2. Scorpion 1, personal 0. Go. Got 913, 915, and 917. Copy, Scorpion 2. Pass on 915, 913, 917, 864, 861, 897.
Copy 1, personal control.
Go. Scorpion 2.
Golf 1 control status.
Code 10, Mike.
Golf 1-3 control status.
What's your number?
Code 10 Golf.
Golf 1-6 control status.
I think mine 878.
Code 10 Sierra.
I'm gonna call it.
Golf 1-7 control status.
Code 10 Mike.
Golf 1-8 control status.
Oscar.
Golf 1-9 control status.
Code 10 Romeo.
India 1 control status.
You say what?
Code 10 Golf.
Yours is well cooked. I mean Marlon, what's it?
India 2 control status.
I think 878, sir.
Code 10 Lima.
I think so.
All right.
India 3 control status. I'll secure. India 4 control status.
Scorpion 1.
Code 10 Sierra.
India 5 control status.
Copy, you got those.
Oscar.
India 6 control status.
Oscar. 851918.
Scorpion 1. No Williams.
Go.
Yes, sir. 924-850-878.
Copy base, Scorpion 2, 924-850-878. Attention all radios, call your accountability into base. If you can't get with them, then get with me.
India 6 control.
Go.
Copy. I need your route to CMU recall hotel units. How copy? Captain route to Altmark.
Copy.
Golf 9 control.
Go ahead.
Do I need Defender Domini route to Altmark? How copy?
Control India 5. I'm en route to 19 to pick up Sam.
Copy, Tango.
Telegraph 19, that's good. Copy. She'll stand by.
Copy.
Control Enforcer 1.
Send it.
Yeah, have you briefed Enforcer 2 on what you just shared with me?
Affirm, sir.
Copy. Enforcer 2, Enforcer 1. Good. Copy. Where are your India units right now?
IDF impact. Shelter in place. John, IBA. IDF impact.
Well, right now we're in stand 2, so I'd imagine they're patrolling.
IBA.
Copy. Go ahead and push 3 and 6 to the north. Copy that. Control, did you copy?
India 3 control.
India 3 copies direct.
How copy, India 6?
Control on the 6 will be heading to the north end after picking up hotel units.
Copy, 3 Control on the 6, can you stay from Golf 19 if personnel Domini is still there? Roger, Lieutenant Domini's moving route to Altmont. How copy? Good copy. Tango. Enforcer 1 Control. Roger, info I just relayed to you. It looks like it's going to be coalition forces. How copy?
Copy. Keep me advised.
Paper.
Yeah, what are we lacking? Copy, everybody's accounted for? Copy, did you get those 3 numbers I got a call from personnel Williams on? Alright, copy down, 924-850-878.
Jeez. We need a new alarm system.
Yeah. All this money come from this damn base.
IDF impact.
We're spending our money on junk.
Control Force 2, let me know where we're at from CMU9.
Copy, Defender Nicholson, just landline stayed at 100%. How copy?
Copy, Tango. Control Force 1.
Send it.
Copy, you got anything new on the work?
Hey, from City Landlines from Super.
Negative. I'm on the west side right now, on the northwest, over by the retail fuel.
Enforcer 2 Control, can you landline from Super?
Negative. I too am on the west side by gate 16. Okay.
Copy.
Control Enforcer 1, can you call me on my mobile?
Copy. Enforcer 1 Control, it's a negative on telephonic, your phone is busy.
Control Enforcer 1, request rack, Enforcer 2.
You're clear there.
Force 2, what's your location for RV? Golf 1-1. Copy.
Golf 1-1 control status. Code 10 Mike. Golf 1-3 control status.
Code 10 Golf.
Golf 1-6 control status. Code 0. Golf 1-7 control status.
Code 10
Golf 1-8 control status.
All secure.
Golf 1-9 control status.
Code 10 Romeo.
Indian 1 control status.
Code 10 Golf.
India 2 control status.
Code 10 Lima.
India 3 control status. All secure. India 4 control status.
Code 10 Sierra.
India 5 control status.
All secure.
India 6 control status.
Code 10. Control Force 1, request rack Force 2.
You're clear.
Force 2 and Force 1. Good. Copy. I'm not going to RV with you. I'm down here by the West Fuels yard. Roger. If you come back up this way, you'll see me on the road if you want to head up north. Copy, in route.
Control Golf 11.
Hit it.
Roger, just so you know, it looks as though maintenance has released PAR teams on Charlie Ramp. How copy?
That's the term. PAR teams are released about 30 miles.
Copy that, ma'am. Bingo.
Control Enforcer 1, what's the status on the airfield getting reopened?
Roger, they were standing by for hard space to complete sweeps. They just completed approximately 10 years ago, so it should be shortly. How copy?
Copy. Control Enforcer 1, any more merc chat on what we last talked about?
That's a negative, sir.
Copy.
Central Control to all flight line controls at this time airfield ops are resumed. I say at this time airfield ops are resumed. How copy, Golf 1-1?
Golf 1 copies direct.
How copy 1-3?
That's good copy.
How copy 1-7?
Copy.
How copy 1-6? 1-6 copies. How copy 1-8?
Copy.
How copy 1-9?
Control Golf 19 copies, release traffic.
8 from Echo Patrol to also let you know this time you can open up your gates. I say again, this time you can open up your gates and conduct normal traffic. However, we are still in stand 2. I need Alpha Patrol to continue to don PPE. Bring to knowledge, Echo Patrol out.
Patrol India 6.
Send it.
Roger, you still on this? Sticking to the north end?
Paper.
Control Enforcer 1.
Send it.
You can have 6 and 3. Go ahead and resume normal.
Copy, sir. Also, can I send hotel units away?
Anything new on Merc Chat?
That's negative.
Copy, go ahead, close.
Copy. India 5 Control.
Go for India 5.
Roger, can you pick up Defender Downey from the Altmark and then RVR 2?
Copy that en route.
All clear. Emergency terminated. Resume operations or initiate recovery. Repeat. All clear.